Okay guys, so one of my newer subscribers, I assume that she's new, has been asking some questions on my YouTube channels about, how to insert a title to your video, how to insert tags and things like that. She has her channel is brand new, it looks like. So, and we've all been there. I'm still working on my subscribers. Working on my channels. And I welcome my new subscribers as always, and appreciate you so much. But she asked me to Lord, it's late. I'm sorry. So a few questions. So I promised her that I would do a little video tutorial specifically to show her some things around YouTube that I'm aware of. Now, I'm definitely no one to be really giving YouTube tutorials on. There's people out there who've been doing this way longer than me. But let's start with the first place. So when you are going to go and upload a new video, you click this little camera up here and you just click create. Now I'm on a desktop computer doing this. I'm sure it probably looks different if you're uploading through your mobile phone. So this is for desktop. And I think that there's an option on your mobile phone to view for a desktop view. Now those of you who follow me, who have been doing this way longer, y'all feel free to add things in the comments for this new person to YouTube. Candy, what is your name, girl? Candy Miller. Alright, so Candy Miller. Alright, so when you're going to upload, you go to that little camera and you just click upload. And then you'll select the file that you want to upload. Okay, so I'm going to go to it already went to, and I didn't want to do that because I want to show you how to get there. So it wants to just revert back to YouTube. That's fine. So you click on your profile, then go to, sorry, it's my intro video. Go to your YouTube studio. Okay, so your YouTube studio tells you a lot. So over here you got your dashboard, hun. Then your content. So this is where you want to click your content. Okay. So if you need to, because one of the questions she was asking is, can you change it once you've already uploaded it, or do you need to re-upload it? No, you don't need to re-upload it. So let's look at the one I uploaded today. This one is a short. We can look at that one. So you just click the little pencil. This is your details. You can consider it an edit button. And right here in the top box, video details, is your title. And it's actually required. So I'm not sure how, if it's required, I'm not sure how you can upload without having this title here, unless maybe it just inserts the date, and then so there you would just type out your title. And then this description, this is a good place to use keywords, hashtags, leave links to other social medias that you have. Now your thumbnail is usually something that you can choose. You can create a thumbnail and upload it when you upload your video. You get all of those options. Now if you have playlists, you can add the video to a playlist. Like if you wanted to sort, and I'm actually thinking about doing that later, because I want to separate my content I've been thinking about that a lot. So this is to help you separate your content, kind of keep it all nice and tidy. Now I can tell you this part right here, this video is set to not made for kids. If you click yes, that it is made for kids, one of the things that's going to happen is that you won't have your logo show up in the little corner of your video. You won't have your little watermark. I don't know why that is. It just doesn't show up if you have that checked. But I think most of the people, I think most adults, that follow me, choose, and most of the YouTube channels I watch anyways, choose no, it's not made for kids. Doesn't mean it's not kids safe. It just means YouTube isn't going to, you don't want YouTube flagging you. This has something to do with a federal law, and you can click that learn more to learn about what all that is. If you want your video absolutely restricted to 18 and older, you can do that. So then if you click this show more, this here is, are you advertising products? Are you sponsored with anything? You would click that. I never do, though I'm not opposed to it. What YouTuber isn't? Okay. Allow automatic chapters and keys. Chapters and keys moments make your videos easier to watch. You can overwrite automatic suggestions by creating your own chapters in the video descriptions. That's where a lot of people will write chapters and they'll put the timing of where maybe you change subjects and start talking about something else. That's helpful, especially if you have longer videos people can skip around. Allow automatic places. If you feature places, helps viewer explore key places in your videos. These are public places, restaurants and shops. We don't display your current location or other private info. Tags. This is actually one I didn't fill in because I had just finished uploading it. So these is where you put tags. So I would say park, creek, POV, point of view, windy day, water, I don't know, anything that, sunny day, ASMR maybe, anything that might draw people to your video when they do a search. Of course, your language and captions, certifications, caption certification. If it appeared on U.S. television, it might have closed captions. So then you can, if you want, you can add the date that it was recorded, and you can put the video location if you want to. I kind of stopped adding the recording date, and I never put this unless I guess if I was going to go on vacation somewhere, I might put this. Otherwise, I generally don't, only because I don't want, I don't mind giving the general location of where I live, but like I would never specifically tell you what park this was, because you never know, you don't want stalkers. Okay. So then you just go through and answer. You can put what category you want your video to be in. I say people in blogs. This one, let's see, this one could be, YouTube really needs a specific ASMR category, I think. Otherwise, I think I'll just, entertainment, I'll just leave it at people in blogs. You can decide whether you want to allow comments or not. I do. I don't usually care. Newest, and you can show how many, this is kind of new for YouTube. You can show how many viewers like your video, or you can uncheck this if it bothers you to see that not a lot of people are liking it. I don't care anymore. Okay. And then make sure you save. So I'll leave it at that. If you want to go through the other things, I can. But as I said, I'm not the best qualified for this. But I think the thing that Candy was mostly asking about was inputting the title. And this is where you do that. Go to YouTube Studio, right up here. And you have that option when you first upload as well. So I hope this was helpful to you.